In this video, we're comparing Proton VPN versus Mullvad VPN, two of the most talked about VPNs on the market. Proton VPN claims to be the best overall, offering a lot of features that make it a solid choice for many. Mullvad, on the other hand, is known as the best for bargain hunters, offering a no-nonsense, affordable option for those on a tight budget. But which one is right for you? Stick around, because we're going to dig into their strengths, weaknesses, and where each one falls short. Let's start with Proton VPN. One of the things it's praised for is its security. Proton VPN uses strong encryption, a no-logs policy, and operates from Switzerland, which has excellent privacy laws. That's a huge plus if privacy is a big concern for you. But there's a catch. While the security features are top-notch, Proton VPN's pricing can be steep. Especially when compared to Mullvad, Proton VPN's premium plans might feel a bit too much for someone who just needs basic VPN protection. Next thing we have to talk about is the speed. Proton VPN has fast servers, but it can sometimes suffer during peak hours, particularly with its free plan, which limits speeds and available servers. Mullvad doesn't have as many servers overall, but the ones it has are reliable, and it also tends to have faster speeds even under heavy traffic. However, the limited number of servers means Mullvad isn't as good for those who need more global options. The fourth thing we need to cover is ease of use. Proton VPN has a slick, polished interface, and it's easy to navigate, even for beginners. But Mullvad offers a simpler, no-frills setup that gets the job done, so if you're the type who wants the basics without extra fluff, Mullvad might appeal to you more. Though, Proton VPN's apps do feel more polished and user-friendly, especially for new VPN users. Let's talk about the pricing now. Proton VPN's premium options are more expensive, and its free version comes with limitations. You get access to only a few servers, and you're restricted on speed, which can be frustrating if you're trying to get around region locks. Mullvad, on the other hand, has a unique pricing model that makes it stand out. You pay a flat fee per month with no extra tiers or hidden costs, and it's much more affordable than Proton VPN. For bargain hunters, Mullvad is a solid option that won't break the bank, but it may not have all the extra features that Proton offers. Now, let's be critical. Proton VPN may be more feature-rich, but that doesn't mean it's perfect. Sometimes you're paying for features you don't need, especially if you're just looking for basic VPN functionality. On the flip side, Mullvad is affordable, but it lacks the bells and whistles that make Proton VPN a more well-rounded option for those who want more control over their privacy and security. But here's the thing, while Proton VPN and Mullvad VPN both have their merits, neither of them is flawless. After trying them both out myself, I've found a better alternative for those looking for the best overall VPN, especially if you care about performance, features, and security at a reasonable price. If you want to give it a try, make sure to take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. So, while Proton VPN and Mullvad VPN have their strengths, the better choices out there, and the link is waiting for you in the description. Check it out now!